Alright, so I got an idea. Hey, I got love here. I got nothing but love. But let's come on down. Let's see how well this works. I don't know if you read it. I can barely read it. String cleaner and conditioner. Now you're supposed to put it on every time after you play, but look at this. I did not. It is so disgusting. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this on, right? Play it like a little bit. Let's just do some chords. He used to boil his strings because he was poor and he couldn't afford new strings, and he wanted a new sound, and that would get the dirt off of there. So that's kind of, I'm hoping that's kind of what will happen with this, but we'll see. Tell him about it, Nala. If nothing else, we got a show down here, right? Right, Nala? Cool. To me, it sounds better. It sounds crisper. It doesn't sound as dull. What do you think? Do you think that this made a big difference? I think it did. It could be, it's just me thinking, oh, that's awesome, but it also could be it actually works. So I'm going to say that this thing made my guitar sound better with old strings by cleaning the old strings with that. And some of you guys are probably going to be like, duh, stupid, duh. I'm like, shut up. Nobody wants to hear your shit. Nobody. Nobody likes you. All right, man. So I say Dunlop 65 works. The old string cleaner and conditioner, it did give me a little more back. So I'm going to start trying to do that after every gig instead of just waiting for 2 months in between string changes. All right, man. Y'all have a great one. What's your problem, Penelope? Huh? You want to give me that much attitude?